Welcome to Afia's page. Today let's see about benefits you 5000 points redemption steps. Okay, so just subscribe our channel for every video's update. Let's start with the video. So you will receive this 5000 points every year. So there are two ways to redeem this option. One is optional insurance purchase and second one is benefits you. Optional insurance is our base insurance is 5 lakh. You can upgrade that using this 5000 points, and else you need to use this benefit you. So here you can see 5000 points, 1 point equal to 1 rupees. Okay, the below you can see different categories how you can redeem, and there are a few tabs here. Don't go there because that those points are not applicable to those tabs. So just click this explore button, and here you can see different tabs. Okay, these are the subcategories and the benefits you. Under family care you can see multiple options. So let me choose this one, and via. So this is very useful for senior peoples whoever in your home they required some take care or nursing. So for that you can utilize these packages. Okay, so you can click the view details to see more information about this each package. If it is really useful, then you can go ahead, and how to avail option you can see here. So after ordering this package you will receive call from the sales team. They will ask you to like it's some appointment. Okay, so based on that they will send you the nursing information. So I mean people to take care of your parent or seniors. And let's choose one more, fix health. So here you can see this related to physiotherapist. Okay, there is a virtual and some monthly programs also there. So whoever required physiotherapy, then you can use these kind of packages. So some of the package have some free kit, so they will provide, and there are live session as well. So here a while session you can see how to redeem this order. Okay, so similarly let's check for other tabs. This is under financial well-being. So let me open one of these. Yeah, here you can see ITR filling. So yearly once we are filing the ITR, right, they will do for us if you purchase this. Similarly we have different options. Let me go for one more, JAMA. Okay, so this is e-learning and assessment. This is completely for stock market training. So whoever interested in stock market, so they can use this package. But my suggestion is waste of time. Mostly around 90% we will fail. So better to avoid this. Let's go for the next step, fitness and welfare. Yeah. Here we have lots of things. Healthify is one of the famous applications. So here you can see different monthly plans with yoga, and they are providing some gym kit as well for different plans. So here you can see the detailed information. Okay, for yoga, dance, and strength training, 60 sessions they are providing. So based on the each package it will be different. So if you are interested with this you can avail this. Let's open one more, Fitpass. Here you can see similarly 4 month, 5 month package for fitness. Okay, so here you can see some of the package have some gift. Example, there is a smartwatch they are providing in noise brand and bot. So better if we can utilize this. So before that you can check the view detail for more information about this package. So I am interested with this. Let's see this at the end of this video how to avail. Let's check for the last tab, OPD. Medibuddy is a famous application everyone knows. So here we have different package 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So based on this package we can avail the lab test and in-person consultation, because they have lots of hospital connected in the pan India. Okay, so you can avail this consultation in pharmacy, and also some dental related consultations and vision related issues. So all these issues will be covered on this package. So similarly other package with lower price that have some lowest features, so you can use that. Okay, so let's see about this Fitpass. Okay, let me purchase this because for this 5000 point I need to use this really well. So I'm just selecting this because we will get the bot smartwatch, right? So just click this proceed to pay. That's it. Your order will be confirmed and you will receive some order ID. Under this, you can see view voucher. So this is our voucher code. Okay, so just copy it. The bottom you can see the steps how to avail this. They are asking to download Fitpass application on your Android or iOS. Okay, let's do that. And below you can see there is a link, right? Fitpass.co.in Advantage Club. So let's open that link first. Yeah, here. Let me open this link and they are asking to apply this voucher there. Okay, this application asking our mobile number. Okay, same thing. If we enter the mobile number, we will receive the message with the link. So by clicking that link, you can install the application of this Fitpass app. Okay, let me add my mobile number here. Yeah. So once added, let me click this send link. Battery low, and let's close. Okay, I'm sending the link. After that, I'm installing that application in my mobile Fitpass, and in message I can see the link which they shared. Yeah, let me click this link. So it will take you to the app directly and ask for the code. So what are the code we received, right? The voucher code in the system that we need to type here. Let me type quickly. Okay, yes, done. Let's verify. So you can see some privacy statements and reduction steps. Okay, just click next. So now you can see the form here. You need to fill your basic information like your name, age, email address, mobile number, and the date of birth, and your location. So these are all information you need to fill here. Okay, so let me fill all this quickly. And location, yeah, click proceed. Now it will ask you for the 6-digit code, the OTP. Just provide it, and now it will ask you for the address, complete address, to send the gift, the complimentary gift, smartwatch. So I'm just filling all the address information, door number, area, pin code, state and country information. Finally just save and continue. Okay, now it will ask you for some additional upgrades. Just skip all this. Just select not now, and on the top right you can see skip. Just skip it. That's it. Application was done. So our redemption was success. So let's see how to see the status of our order. So on the top right you can see the profile icon, right? Just click it. Here you can see my orders. So just select the my orders menu. Here you can see confirmed option, right? So just click it. So this is your order. Okay, the top I can see arriving by 10 April. So we have to wait till then to receive the smartwatch. So once I received, I will upload the short unboxing that video. So hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more unique video. Utilize this 5000 points. Don't miss it. Bye bye.